All right, y'all. I want to show you how you do redneck Thanksgiving right. First, like all great things, it starts with bubble wrap. You're going to peel off a section like so. Now, bubble wrap's really important because when you reach in to get your dry ice, you don't want it touching your hand. Now, of course, you got to have some place for the dry ice to go. That's what Mr. Gatorade is here for. So we take our little drink stand, put Mr. Gatorade right on top, break off a good chunk of dry ice, plop it on in there. All right, we grab ourselves some Honeycrisp apple cider, and just like that, we got Honeycrisp Sparkling Cider. That's good. Now, don't breathe this on all at once. You'll suffocate. Better.